in Japan?
Wait, ito kasi nagkaan muna ako. Sa Pilipinas, merong kuko.
Kuko?
Koko.
Kuko. Ayan.
Meron din dito. Ayun. Koko.
Actually, sa Taiwan.
Parang curry house, yeah.
Invincible.
Strictly by roll numbers, starting from the area, moving towards the front. So please remain seated and wait for the roll numbers to be called.
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no. Oh no, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah.
Taiwan. Yung sa Taiwan na na folder. Alam na kagad. Talagay ko sa ano, sa year ng birthday ko, 2000. 2001. Sige mo, naka-number 2 na siya.
I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you.
Where?
Anong gate?
6. There, the gate 6. Let's go, so go.
Tinanong ba kung gano'ng katagal ka na sa company niyo?
Ay, hindi. Tinanong lang ako kailan ako babalik.
Tinanong nga, saan ka nagkatrabaho? Sabi sa'yo, interesado talaga
Ah,
sa
talaga? Ako kasi tinanong lang ako, kailan balik mo? Tinatamad pa magtanong si ate. Mukhang kakagising.
Dahil sa BI nila, child pick up.
I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be.
Saan ka pupunta?
Punta ako sa malayong lugar.
Dalawa.
So, may kasama akong camera.
With you, I just wanna dance all night. Forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. Hey, little lady said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say. 'Cause I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay.
Welcome to Japan.
Pag-order double soda.
Welcome to Japan.
SIM card cleaning. Talaga bang ganyan siya doon? Or papamalit natin ulit? Pero siya nagba-black. Ano?
What do you want?
No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you.
So, nandito kami ngayon sa Skyliner. Papunta sa hotel namin. Kikiling pa ba natin? Or ipipresent na lang yung kuluk? Ouch.
Represent na lang atin. Makita tayo.
Oh my God.
Convert sa ticket.
Starting getting into my nerves na nasa Japan. Here. Okay. Skyliner. Pati yung schedule do get it. Ayun no, may schedule na. Saan ba tayo? Sa Oh, naiintindihan ko siya. Ueno. Hindi siya Ueno. What?
Excuse me, X6 was a Skyliner Location Information Center.
Alright, thank you. Ba to? Di ba Skyliner to?
Information center.
Ha?
Information center.
So doon i-claim kapag sa Klook bumili sa information center, which is where? Ha? Here. Ayan nga naman, oh.
Mali pala.
Entrance.
Ay, luggage mo. Dito kami ngayon sa Skytree. So, pupunta na kami sa hotel namin. Yung ticket. Ticket.
Nilakad yung mga tree ng bilis ko. Ang bilis. Galing. Sana ganito din yung effort.
I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night. Forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what.
Yun talaga yung concern ko.
Yeah?
Umbrella. Yun talaga yung concern ko.
シンプルなキーエシス1泊1名様でございます。支払いの方は行っておりますので、ごチェックいたします。
What they say, and now you know it. I feel like you're lying, trying to be real, but you seem so fake. I'm so.
So, this is our room. This is the key. Oh. Oops. Oh, wow. It's liit.
There's a view.
It's so, the room is so liit.
How about the shoes?
Over trying to move on, but you're in my way.
So, gagala muna kami. Pupunta muna kami ng Asakusa. Kakain, mag-food trip.
Pwede may bayad ka yun.
1,000 pesos. Down. One. Umuulan sa labas! Yan. So, nanghiram kami ng payong kasi umuulan sa labas. So, it's raining. Magagamit na niya yung payong niyang clear.
Wala akong boss.
Ayan.
I'm so over trying to move on, but you're in my way. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you.
Ilang oras na tayong gising. Umuulan na dalawa yung payong natin.
Ang dami ginagamit. Kasi priority ang mga gadgets. So kahit umuulan, may dalang payong, hindi ginagamit. Nandito na pala kami sa Asakusa. So papunta kami ng Senso-ji Temple. Kasi yan. Kasi balita namin maraming pwedeng food trip doon.
Ay, ano?
Tabi-tabi lang. So, yun yung susubukan natin ngayon. So, lakad muna kami. Medyo masama lang ang weather.
Which is okay naman.
Ay, ayun yung
Not
medal
bad.
pan. Oh.
Ha? Ngayon nakita mo.
Yung medal pan.
Alligator. Nagkasink inan nasa Japan tayo dun. Konti.
Oo.
Panigala talaga yung pagbubuhat nito.
Sabi sa iyo eh.
Pero gabi, uuhaw na ako.
Bukas
Mamamatay na ako pag wala.
Hindi.
Gawin na ng tubig.
Bukas, ang gagawin natin, uy, makinig ka.
I'm listening.
Makinig ka. Ang gagawin natin, magbibitbit na tayo ng backpack.
Yeah.
Sa backpack na lahat.
Yeah. And
Kasi
you're the one who's
umuulan
gonna
pa.
bit the backpack.
Yeah. So we're entering Senso-ji Temple.
Uy, dun
Ito, so, makikita mo
magseryoso tayo
to.
dito ng ano ha, pagpipicture. Pati pagpipicture siya
Oo,
seryoso.
first time niya kasi dito sa Japan. So, wow! Kailangan maraming picture. Busin natin yung memory card ng telepono ko. 128 gig yan. What? Para lang sa picture mo.
Smile more when you come back. Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sunshine bright. Believe me, I need you. Smile more when you blow me up. Smile more when I see your face. Smile more when I feel love. Smile less when I need to let go. Let go. Smile less when I let go.
Ayan doon yung ano, naiintindihan mo ba yan?
Nakalagay dito. How to draw Omni Fuji. Drop 100 yen while praying for your wish. Shake the bottle politely a few times. Make sure your number. Make sure your number and put the stick back. Take out a sheet up from the drawer. How can we know the number?
Yeah, I think yung ano ata, yung lalabas ng stick dito, may number siya, tapos hahanapin mo dito.
How can we know?
So yung ano, siguro,
When you draw the portion,
take it home. Pero if not, yun, ilalagay mo siya doon, no?
can we do it?
Yeah.
You want?
Yeah.
So keep me company. Swear they holding on my feet, but they not under me. The fumes on your sweater smell is so lovely. And I will never sell my soul, but you could buy the lease. And don't believe in make believe, just make your ends meet. Say a weekend and the weekend, never stress a thing. And we gon' go another.
The best fortune. If you are sincere and honest, your desire will be successful by blessing. You will come back with a lot of treasures by book.
And when we don't disagree, and when the sun shining, regardless if you do.
So, kailangan natin maghulog ng 100 yen. Ito.
And then shake.
Shake.
While wishing. Sabi! So we need to be serious about it. Oh, same with me!
Oh,
Same with mine.
really? Come.
Can you know the result na eh. So baka double the blessing kapag ganyan.
So, dito yon. So, ito din yung number na nakuha ni Joe.
I don't know, and that's number 90 yata eh.
So, I think same lang naman sila. Oh, di ba?
Let's check nga. Let's check if it's the same. Can I check if it's the same?
Oh. Yes, the same.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, same.
So no need to read it.
Aha. Okay.
No need to read it. The same with mine.
So, same kami ng fortune. So, ibig sabihin times 2. So, definitely
Sabihin,
mangyayari.
ano siya, bakit pareho ba tayo ng wish?
Hindi, pero ano siya. Same kasi tayo best fortune. So, hindi ko siya italagay doon. So, tatago ko to.
Yeah, good thing.
Believe, hey, celebrate. In the morning when I see your face. Need you more when you go, I need you more every day. Keep a foot on the brake in case I lose all control. Yeah, so baby don't lose control. I'm focused on you baby, lately you've been in my aim. I've been reaching out for you you are still there so far away. Looking through the smoke in the mirror. Crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear. And how you make me smile. And how you make me smile. Oh yeah. And how you make me smile. Oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. Oh no. Smile more when you come back. Smile more when I see you.
Parang ang dami pang pwedeng ma-explore dito.
Actually, madami pa. Madami pang pwedeng puntahan dito. Kasi, mas marami pang mapupunta doon sa likod. Kaso since, well, since gabi na kasi, tsaka maulan pa. So, baka din natin explore. Tapos yung bitabo pang tubig. So yun, sayang lang ginabi kami.
Mandatory.
Pero, oo. Pero actually maganda naman yung ano.
Maraming ganyan sa Asakusa.
Maganda yung ano, temple sa gabi.
Compared to umaga.
Ang ganda ng lightning. Lightning. Umaga kasi ako pumunta dito.
Mas okay dito.
Ayan, so hindi na kayo makakakain dito.
Balik na lang tayo.
Hindi na kayo makakapag food trip kasi
Marami pa dyan.
napagsaraduhan na kami ng karamihan. Ito.
Not all of them naman na makakainin mo. At least ngayon, kumonti na lang yung choices.
So, let's see kung ano pa yung mga pwede pang makainan dito. Ano oras pa lang ba?
7.
7 o'clock. Sarado na sila. Ito. Souvenir shop. So, hanggang doon pa naman yan sa dulo. Lakarin muna natin. Di ko alam kung saan ako pwede kape.
Saan dami na lang.
Ayan. So, nandito na kami sa almost dulo.
Meron din pala lantern na sa dulo.
Wala. Hindi, mas maganda yung lantern doon. Ay, dyan tayo galing.
Dito.
There. Tara na. This is our first meal. Dinner.
Actually, our first meal
Hindi pala.
is
Dinner. First dinner. Oh, kasi first
random
night.
lang.
First night pala naman namin. Ito in order ko. Ito.
Pagdating yan lang. Di ba dito, expectation is naging
First.
reality?
Tapos schedule ito.
Oh my gosh. Look, ano yung kakawit? Baso. Tsaka look, tingnan nyo yung tissue. May design.
Ha?
May design yung tissue.
In fairness. Guys, dumating na yung order. Ay, wala pa yung gyoza.
Sure ka? Sa loob mo?
Yeah.
Oo.
Wala. So, ito yung order namin. So,
Oh my gosh.
ito yung sakay niya. Sobrang dami niya. Kung nakikita niyo lang. So, parang good for 2 persons na siya. Same with me. Big out. Laman.